Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the 5-axis CNC programming inside NXCAM 12. Let's get right into it. I have this spot and right now I just created a toolpath for this, as you can see over here. Let me just play it. See? So this is how it will probably work for me. So let me just delete it. Actually, this was a roughing program, but in this case I'm doing something a bit different from the first case. In the workpiece, I'm going to define the blank, and I'm just taking offset from part of 0.5 mm, and I'm hitting OK. Click OK. Next, what I can do, I can go for operation, multi-axis, variable, NC program, bull nose, workpiece, and mill finish. Okay. Now in cut area, I'm selecting this area, and this is the surface area. In surface area, I'm selecting this, and cut area in percent. Okay, tangent tone, and in cut direction I'm selecting this one. Choose this one as the drive setting, as the zigzag. Step over numbers and define, for example, 50, and it's okay. Display, it's fine for me. And if you want to increase it up to 60, and display, and I want to hit OK, and click on the tool axis, and this time I'm going to click on normal to drive. This is my drive surface, okay, and I'm just going to create, and I'm gonna hit on OK. And go to verify the path, 3D dynamic, slow down your speed, see, one thing I can do is just to go for this, and in the method let me just click on the 120, and in step 4 you can define the maximum loop height, but let me just click on the numbers, and let me just click on the display and hit OK and generate. See, it'll probably be more finished than the first time. Verify. See, I'm just getting a bit finished surface compared to the first time. This is how you can go and create the 5-axis CNC program. To create the G code, go for the pass processor and 5-axis, and I wanna hit OK. See, this is the 5-axis CNC program. As you will see X, Y, Z, and then you can see A axis and B axis. Thanks for watching.